Do you know how to ask for money for your real estate deals? My name's Chris Naugle. I'm the co-host on HGTV's Risky Builders, the founder of Flip Out Academy and the Real Estate Money School podcast. Also, I've flipped hundreds of houses, done hundreds of real estate deals. And today, I want to talk to you about how to ask for money. I want to give you some actionable items on what to do to get money for your real estate deals. But first and foremost, let's discuss asking for money. The first thing I need you to understand is that you never ask for money. I know that seems cliche, right? I just told you, do you know how to ask for money? And now I'm telling you, don't ask for money. The reason I'm telling you don't ask for money is because when you ask for money, you put yourself in a powerless position. When you ask for something, the other person immediately goes on defense. So if you're not going to ask for money, but you need money for your deal, what do? How are you going to get money for your real estate deals? Well, these are some of the things that I teach. Some of the things I mentor a lot of our students on, and that is how money really works in real estate. But I told you I was going to give you a few actionable items on what to do. So let's jump right into it because I want you to get some value out of this. So here's what you do if you don't ever ask for money. And the reason you don't ask for money is because of being in a powerless position. I've had to do this many times. Early on in my real estate career, I remember asking for money. I went around every single person I thought that had money for my deal that I needed, and I asked them for money. And every time I did this, I heard no, no way, absolutely not, and hell no. Those were my answers because I was doing it wrong. And in doing it so many times and failing so many times and hearing no so many times, I learned how to do this. And I learned that every single no you get puts you one step closer to a yes. And here's the tip. Here's the thing you do. Don't ever ask for money. Present an opportunity to these people. If you know somebody that has money and you think that they might want to invest that money in something that's lucrative, present them an opportunity. Don't ask them. Present an opportunity that will solve a problem for them. And what problems do they have? I don't really know. Everybody has a problem. Most people's problem is they want to make more money. Some people have a problem that they want more security behind their investments. Another person's problem might be they need a steady retirement income stream because right now they can't live on the Social Security and the money that they have coming in the door. And boy, if somebody could solve that for them, they'd be all ears. Well, guess what? You have the ability to solve that problem. You have the ability to solve all of those problems. And shame on you if you don't go out there and start talking to people about what you do. Shame on you if you don't present opportunities to these people to better their lives, not your life. We're not talking about you bettering your life. Well, we are because we know that you can make a lot of money in real estate, but we don't want to think that way. I need you to start thinking from your heart first, and I need you to change your mindset to think about what's in it for them. What's in it for them? How can you present an opportunity to them that will change their life? For example, my mother. My mother doesn't have a lot of money. Never has. I didn't grow up with money. But my mother has a house that has equity in it. So what she did, or what I advised her to do, is to take a home equity line of credit from her house. And we took that home equity line of credit, and then what we did is we banked her home equity line of credit. We loaned that money out to real estate investors, sometimes me. We loan that money to real estate investors. Now, she's got to pay 5% on that money, and we loan that money out at 10 to 12%. And we take a first position lien on the property because we want to make sure if that person we loan to, if they don't pay their payments, we have the security of the property and we can foreclose on them. So that's the security. But when you present an opportunity, let's say you wanted to borrow money from my mom's home equity line of credit. We would expect that you would bring an opportunity, which is your deal, structured on paper to show how lucrative your deal is, to show how much money is in it for my mom. How much are you willing to pay my mom in exchange for her loaning you money for your amazing real estate deal that you need to get funded? How much is that? Is that number 8%? That's probably not going to get her interested because she's got to pay 5% for her money. Is it 10%? Well, that could be a good way to get started because that's double what she has to pay for the home equity. Or is it 15%? Well, that all comes down to you and your opportunity. But taking a step back, not including my mom or anybody else, think about that. If you solve people's problems, they will solve your problem. And your problem is you need money for your deal. I don't care if you're a brand new investor. I don't care if you're a seasoned investor. The rules of engagement are exactly the same. Learn how to present an opportunity. Learn how to take your real estate deal, put it on paper into a proposal, and that proposal has to be very clear on a few things. It has to be very precise on the factual data, but it also has to be very clear on what's in it for them. If you change your mindset from asking for money into presenting an opportunity that solves someone's problems, your life will change quickly. You will find that money will flow to you. You won't have to go out and seek money, because that one person that you solved the problem for will tell their friends, and they will tell their friends. And eventually you will have a network of bankers, individuals, private individuals, friends, family, coworkers. Those are going to be your bankers that will then loan you money because you have an opportunity that solves a problem for them. Try that, but also think about that in your life. If someone asked you for money, would you kind of back off? Would you be like, whoa, I don't really feel good about this. You're asking me for money and I don't have any money. Or if somebody presented you an opportunity, a lucrative opportunity, secured by real estate that pays you 10% for taking part in this opportunity. But then also, don't act like you need the money. Present the opportunity. Tell them this would be a great opportunity. It would solve these problems, but ask them questions. Ask them questions about what problems they have that they need solved. When you solve other people's problems, your problems will go away. So I hope this is a good tip. Go out there, solve problems, present opportunities, and everything will start to change just like that.